So we just updated. They had a great trade-in program from our AutoProPad, and now we have the AutoProPad G2 Turbo. The interesting thing with this is it has a Bluetooth. You'll see as we unbox this. So it was a great trade-in program. We loved our AutoProPad, the original one. It was we paid full bore for it. It was our go-to machine. We used it for years and years. It was such a deal from American Key Supply. Mike Kenessey, thank you for telling us about the deal. We traded it in and bought this full bore. It's not a give. And we've been trying it now for about 3 weeks now and absolutely love it. It's our go-to key programmer, and we're doing a lot of cars on this thing. It's pretty impressive. It comes with absolutely every little bits and piece you can think of. We did not get any discounts on this. We just did a trade-in that they're offering everybody. Special deal they had. And just the packaging is, you know, just everything. Just comes with everything you can imagine. This is a game changer for us. This is the Bluetooth module. So we can plug this in to the OBD2. It's got all the adapters. So Bluetooth now. We plug this into the car and we can just step back and program from here. So we got the cigarette lighter for power. And we've had 6 weeks of using this, and I mean heavy use in 6 weeks. We are doing a lot of cars lately. I hate to say it, a lot of repo cars. So this thing's had a good run. It's our go-to. And we'll have a few more videos on how it actually works. But the Bluetooth, it's just so nice having the Bluetooth. You just sit back, and we'll have some programming where we show this off. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.